wega muno nä ndå guthi na mbere guikarania na ithuĩ karibu sana o rĩngĩ nĩ mwarikia kwaria na mũndũ gwĩtwo Mũgũre wa Karuirũ na chairman captain wa kĩrabu gĩgwĩtwo Ngĩnda All Stars David Mwangi ũndũ ũmwe na Alexander Ngotho ũrĩa nĩ mũikarĩri wa timu ĩno ĩgwĩtwo Ngĩnda All Stars. Rĩu reke tũingĩre kũrĩa macinani na ndĩramenya nĩ wĩna timu yaku ya macinani na ndĩra tũthiĩ ihenya ihenya. Mũgũre ndũngĩaga timu ya macinani kana ngucanio cia macinani ũtũmĩirwo kana twambĩrĩrie nawe mũndũ gwĩtwo na of course no nginya ũgĩtwĩre mwambĩrĩrie na ngucanio ya gatagatĩ ya Forza magĩthaka na andũ megwĩtwo KK 3K
ndatiga ni ndutare kugu bro 3K. What's wrong about 3K?
Ni mwahotanire na ni ihoya rĩakwa nĩ rĩkinyanĩre mũingĩre thĩinĩ wa Kenya Premier League. Rĩu nĩ ihoya rĩa ndĩnarĩo. No Sunday.
What was wrong about Sunday?
Asa fortune nĩtũngĩekire ũndũ mwegega. Nĩtũngĩekire ũndũ mwegega.
Koguo thina ni fortune sako te 3K.
Asa thina ti 3K. Fortune nĩtũngĩekire ũndũ mwegega kũrĩa Embu Stadium. Tũtiarĩ tũhũrwo ũguo na 2-1. Yes.
Haya. Tũikũrũke.
Thĩ kaunti ya Murang'a ngucanio cia FKF kũringana na ũrĩa menyithĩtio nĩ mũndũ gwĩtwo Steve Touch kuma kũrĩa mwena wa Kandara. Ĩno nĩ pool A Gĩthumu ĩgathaka na andũ megwĩtwo Mũrũka FC. Matenjagwo no matindĩkane na andũ megwĩtwo Rwĩgetha. Kariũa kũrĩa Kariũa grounds magathaka na Kangari FC na andũ megwĩtwo Laini magiginyane na andũ megwĩtwo Minyani. Matenjagwo magakorwo magĩthaka na andũ megwĩtwo Rwĩgetha kĩharo-inĩ kĩa Matenjagwo stadium. Ngucanio ciothe nĩ Sunday thaa kenda cia mĩaraho.
Haya. Mũndũ gwĩtwo
ni results cia Murindatu World Tournament na quarter finals cia timu ya Langalanga Senior ikivota Boka Junior 3-0, Karunga Junior ikikorana na draw ya 1-1 na Gitare FC. Ngumo FC 3-1 makivota timu ya Kagumo FC na timu ya thĩinĩ wa semi-finals Langalanga Senior ikivota 1-0 timu ya Karunga Junior. Ngumo FC na ikivota timu ya Gitare FC 2-0 thĩinĩ wa semi-finals. Final na timu ya Langalanga Senior na Ngumo FC na timu ya Langalanga ikisinda 1-0. Yani nio the champions ikombe giki ya Murindatu World Tournament.
Ndĩra tũthiĩ mĩbira ĩrĩa gũkorwo gĩthakwo weekend ĩrĩa kũrĩa nja wa bũrũri tondũ ndĩra tũtigĩtie ndagĩka 4 na ndagĩka 4 nĩ nini mũno no getha tũhutie nginya andũ a international tondũ rĩu nĩ tũregaga. He mũndũ anjĩra we nĩ ciambiki wa Chelsea etagwo Kikiwapu. Mimi wiki yangu imekuwa mbaya. Arsenal Chelsea ndiamenya nĩkĩ kĩũru. No Chelsea nĩ ĩrathaka na Man City mũthenya wa rũciũ ngucanio ya final ya FA. Predictions?
Mũndũ wa mbere mpire
Man City Chelsea.
Nĩwĩci kũrĩa mwena wa Voi tukorwo twĩna a lot of viewership. Na ngakorwo ngathi gutangaza movie kula mwana wa Voi.
Ngakorwo Voi.
Nitakuwa Voi.
Wow.
Chemchemi ya ukweli na Geoffrey Mwamburi Rusio.
Beki wa kupanda na kushuka.
Yes. Na City is going to win. Unfortunately. City ni magasinda because Chelsea are in tatters.
Niki kiuru na Chelsea.
I think the management kuma Enzo Maresca akorwa exit the door.
Then ni athaki kana ni system kana ke?
I think the coaching. Athaki Chelsea ni athaki given a good coach na have time Maresca angira thĩinĩ wa contention ya top 3. Kora niko oralikirie this season na timu ya Chelsea. But coming from Maresca to Rosnia now McFarlane kuna a lot of confusion in our team. Like players are motivated but tomorrow Man City are winning the second trophy of the season.
Ni City. Ndio wacheza ni City.
Arsenal and City Premier League. Tatigia hanini muno. Arsenal and City Premier
League. It's done for two reasons.
Arsenal na Man City no Royal League ya Ngeretha. 2488.
Burnley ni timu relegated. Coach gone already. Right now. Some top players they come the new clubs mangithakira. Meaning that it's going to be an easy day for Arsenal.
No way mushie ni Arsenal.
Ni Arsenal. It is going to be the last match by the way
in London. Yeah, Emirates.
For this season. Diko na ulia kungithie Arsenal that match. But
how important is that match?
Very important. For one reason, you need to tell your fans goodbye in a big way as you welcome them to Selhurst Park. Kule kumuziko wa Crystal Palace. Diko kathakirwa the last match of the season. Now, kuna high possibility Man City if they sleep against Bournemouth. No rumena pressure kuthaka mbara kila timu ya Crystal Palace. Malaki na Chelsea this weekend. Then wiki kabiri badaka timu ya Bournemouth.
Masaka badaka na Aston Villa.
Badaka na Villa. If they lose or draw in one of those matches, Selhurst Park kuna uwezekano Arsenal utapita katikati yao.
Nika heo gada bona. haya koguo turore ngicanio iria cikwo ndienda kumuhe second thate nake Arsenal mamurake nae haya nituka ya Champions League tukame preview next week haya ndienda umuthi hwaini Liverpool Aston Villa imucie kuna mpira wa Premier League
no ithie either way na Villa no ikue
haya rucio ri Manchester United ikambiriria Sunday Manchester United ikambiriria na Nottingham Forest Manchester imucie United imucie
Manchester kichwa
haya Brentford na Crystal Palace na tututira muno mubiro ngiwe na fata muno ri ni wa West Ham na Newcastle United that's a very important match
very important match yakorwa very tight because West Ham turoni mathakira timu ya Arsenal ni marageria muno ku fight relegation na ni maramenya ati if Spurs Tottenham Spurs no timu wetaka timu ya Wolves na Burnley ni relegated already kogwe the only slot remaining ni battle between Spurs na West Ham kogwe makaka na Newcastle makiopa ati if they win that match maybe Spurs they sleep somewhere
Chelsea gataka Spurs Tuesday
Spurs will lose
Spurs agahata kuinuka
by the way London
it's now becoming a possibility
a possibility London is ready.
How is it good kwa Arsenal kwa ligi na ligi hiyo Champions League na Tottenham irelegated to an Arsenal fan a die hard
Mondoro magariria history of those two clubs they are very bitter rivals but recently kwena giko gekiro demo that kwa Son Heung-min atana timu ya Tottenham Hotspur he had an open chance of scoring against Man City one season ago. Is it one season, 2 seasons ago? Now that goal would have meant Arsenal was in the Premier League. But he just gave it. Alipeana.
Koko kwe rivalry na muno.
So we know now it is the time.
Aya ndine kendike mathaa makwa ni mathira to ingatwo ni mundu gwitwo Ivy wa itherero no tuma nake muthe director witu muthenya wa muthi. Ugo horo mundu gwitwo mugure na uge horo turikie.
Njokie ngatho tugatungana rucio na mwithikiriria na mwiroreri Inoro FM akwanduka kwambiria thaa 10 nginya thaa 2 cia hwaini tugakorwo na kirabu kia A+ aya ni athaki a volleyball ni irabu njeru iria cireyukiriria hari muthako wa volleyball tugakorwo tukimamurika riri marerigirira gukorwo makigera thina wa quarters na gwetha mweke wa playoffs cia KVF League Div 1 mwena wa iritu tugakorwo na General Choi wa Ithafethi ni ngatho
no kenywe gatimo na tukira na tujinjo
niguo ndireka
turakuiguira
niguo ndireka ndi sawa
I'm coach what she needs to do
na ndiragethire nendo akuria kwa Nywebu kundu gitagwo ina kundu gitagwo Mitondori kundu gitagwo Embu town maranjira na ni twendete Jacob Ishia.
Thank you so much ndo agwetu Embu nimera kuga first thank you for coming me back again ndio gitakunyitirira muri wa Festus Lango na I understand next week ndo ndo mara kwa tuna mo this week next week will be here and Festus we love you so much wherever you are.
Thank you very much.
Ndo akari kuga ngakora ni voi Rusio Taita County ndo final ya FA Cup kwa hiyo and wacha mchemi ya ukweli mwana wa Radio Citizen tukutane hewani saa 11 nitakuwa naipiga live nikiwa na Becky Mwamburi finally niseme kwamba 3K tunakuja katika Premier League na turingi goodbye.
Thank you man. Ucio tago Jacob Ishia ni mwandiki wa mohoro wa mathako kwa Royal Media na ni mutangathi wa mathako kuria kwa Radio Citizen no igwa ametaga chemi ya ukweli. Ni tojoroga wa gireji handu ni hatafarira kana ndora maharagire tafarira na Inoro rucine tidia wega ngayenda tunana muthenya wa Monday hindi ya tafarira ya Inoro rucine. Nuga mifire ya meritu muno Newcastle na West Ham, Chelsea na Tottenham, Arsenal na Burnley na Man City magithaka na timu egwitwo Aston Villa. Eno mifire ikoro kiroro muno na tugakwira maimirira meo na tumirore wega na njira ndikiru thini wa tafarira yukite ya kimwe yukite tidia wega.